Hi, good day. This is Ken Lao Chi Yong. Welcome to the Exceptional Excel and PowerPoint class. It's a 2 days event. What would you learn in this first day Excel? At the end of this training, you will be able to analyze data faster and easier. You'll be capable to apply Excel advanced functions such as COUNTIF, AND function, VLOOKUP function, applying if function to perform data analysis, applying VLOOKUP to refer data across different worksheets, combine multiple functions together to perform data analysis, discover practical ideas that can help you improve your performance in creating monthly report, how to protect the report you created. Next, PowerPoint learning outcome. At the end of this training, you were able to present findings professionally. You'll be able to present charts on PowerPoint, applying right animations, critical PowerPoint design tips, adding photo, removing photos, changing slide backgrounds, turning PowerPoint into a video, course outline, cell reference, hyperlink, if. This is for Excel. And function, VLOOKUP, basic pivot table, PowerPoint outlines. This is what you're going to learn. Adding, rotating, editing photos, croppings, and cropping by the ratio, formatting slides, backgrounds, applying entrance, exit animations, adding charts, turning PowerPoint into videos, adding WhatsApp links into PowerPoint, turn points into smart art. Thank you, God. Thank you to all of you listening. Thank you. God bless you.